In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Pyttsx3 library in VS Code. Pyttsx3 is a Python text-to-speech library that works offline, which makes it great for projects where you want your app to speak without relying on internet services. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get it installed quickly and confidently. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Give it a moment to load, then open the Python file or the project folder where you plan to use Pyttsx3. Opening the correct workspace matters because the terminal you're about to use will work in the context of whatever folder or project is active in VS Code. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Terminal. From that menu, choose New Terminal. This opens a terminal panel at the bottom of VS Code pointing to your current project directory. If you're using a virtual environment for your project, make sure it's active in this terminal. You'll usually see the environment's name in parentheses at the start of the terminal line if it's activated. If you're not using one, that's fine. The command will still work system-wide. Now you're ready to install the package. In the terminal, type pip install Pyttsx3 and press enter. On some systems, especially if you have multiple versions of Python installed, you might need to use Pyttsx3 instead of pip. Another reliable option is Python mpipe install Pyttsx3, which makes sure you're installing the library into the same Python interpreter your project uses. After you run the command, you'll see pip download and install the library along with any dependencies. This usually takes just a few moments. If you run into a message saying pip is not recognized, that typically means Python or pip isn't on your system's path, or you're in the wrong interpreter. In that case, try the Python mpip version of the command from the same terminal. If you see permission errors, rerun the command in a terminal with the appropriate permissions for your operating system. When the installation finishes, you're all set. The next time you work in your Python file, you can import the library and start converting text to speech right inside your code. That's all you need to do to get Pyttsx3 installed in VS Code. Thanks for watching and happy coding!